Hey guys, Ray Jenkins back from Contractor Lighting, doing some more projects at my aunt's house here. As you can see above you, there is a very old, very outdated incandescent fixture up there. It runs off of two A19s, and what we're going to be replacing it with is this ceiling luminaire here. This thing only runs on 25 watts, produces 1600 lumens. It's going to be an amazing difference. I can't wait for you to see it, so let's get started. Guys, Ray is back, and 5 minutes down the road, guys. Check this thing out. Uh, Not only did I think off the spec sheet it was going to work, but I thought this will be okay. Once I got out of the box, put it on the ceiling, this thing's amazing. It looks great up on the ceiling. The light it puts out is amazing. And I'm going to tell you right now, when you turn this on for the first time, it's going to have you screaming like Ric Flair. Woo!